Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn on your airplane mode and you will off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.